Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 5 for November Patreon STL for 2022. If you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Help out the channel a lot. Check out our Patreon and Discord and our Etsy store down below as well. So we are doing my 3D print for it. They do a lot of World of Warcraft style prints. I think this one is the floating island the wizards are always after. I could Darion. I figure it out. I probably could see when if they have a name for it. Let's see here. Dalaran. There you go. Got in my head. So we have stuff for Dalaran. Pretty fun place if you play with Wrath of the Lich King, or you paid that in classic now. This is a Dalaran piece. I think last month was the Wrath of the Lich King. Past 2 Patreons for it. So yeah, is something if you're interested in. Probably cool to have. You got your water elemental. I am gonna switch all my water elemental with these guys, and shadow and void shadow elementals as well. So that would be kind of cool to use. But diameter 25 millimeter. These are just peons that just does all the work around the area and gather stuff. And here's your Alliance Knights as well. Male and female. We have I forget which one this one was. It's been a while. I am gonna play a new expansion, Dragonflight, whatever it's called. For it. I am a big WoW guy, but I only play it until I beat the story and I stop playing it altogether. So 3D Moon has, I think this one is this one final render. So from SNK, no, King of Fighters. This is one I believe that's out for November. I think they do 2. I know they do 2. So I think November 1st. I think this one, X22, I believe she's called. Do not know for sure. I think it's that, and probably one more. I think this one's a bonus one that they're trying to get done. It is the bonus one they're trying to get done right here. So, yeah. I forgot her name was. I know she was in the comics, but I think it was like Red Scar or something. Red Sonja. So yeah, never read the comics, but always seen it at the comic book store. SwanNet 3D. I don't think they have anything out for it right now. I know they just released the elves, the underwater elves thing. But November looks like Prison Complex Island for it. So if you have an FDM printer, it's probably a perfect print for you guys. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is a render that he has for it. If I probably want to get an FDM printer and actually print these out myself, see how they look. So Broken Anvil have been having problems, so they haven't had anything on November for anything yet. Habam's going on pause. Okay. I wish that port announcement wasn't something that. So I'm guessing they're not doing November right now. Probably taking a break, or they did a lot of Kickstarter as well. So you got Ruben, another anime figures. This one is going to be on December. Haven't watched the anime yet, so. But we have Lucy and Rebecca. So this one is going to be for December. And there's one with clothes. And there's one with Lucy. So yeah. So those 2 are going to be it for Ruben for this month. They do two a month. TPK Labs. Let's see what we got for TPK Labs. I think this is the release. So we have a Mind Flare, a Rust monster, Mimics. You can't have enough Mimics. This one is an Aboleth, a Beholder, Owlbear, Demigorgon. This looks like the older version of the Demigorgon. I have the original Demigorgon in pewter. Purple Worm, and we have Adult Red Dragon and a Kraken. That's gnarly looking Kraken, I'll tell you that right now. And we have some model stuff for coins. We have Dragon Skeletons and Dragon Nest and Treasure model ready to paint. Okay. And you have some little lava pools. Making Tylon, another terrain. So I'm seeing cannons. I don't know what they're planning on building for it. For this, I think it's just cannons and some fisherman huts and animated weapons and a lot of stuff. So I don't think there'll be much for November for Talent. So print your monster. Hopefully they have something. It's only looks like half the month right now. They should have a lot of stuff out, at least. So you have a looks like a roper, but that's not a roper. Probably an evil tree. Of something. Okay, so we have magma monsters. So we have magma dragon, magma spider, and some magma skull and stuff, and elemental. So we have magma monsters. I'll let you guys know. So monsters from magma or fire elemental plane of fire elemental. That'll be one of them as well. Puppet War miniatures. If you like Warhammer 40k, another good substitute for it. So we have 2 flying Tyranids, 4 looks like Terminator style armor or Dreadnought style armor, and you have the Orc style, their style of the Orcs as well. So that these looks pretty cool, bulky and big, looking like a samurai style for it. So I would like to replace a lot of these with my Blood Angels and see how it looks for it. Oh man. Or you could just replace that instead of the helmet, and that'll look kind of gnarly as well. Oh god, so like dreadnoughts, like dreadnoughts are like used like people that they cannot, be like mobile in combat, so they take their body and they shove it in a dreadnought to give an extra life for it. So that's why I pretty much see. So that'd be kind of cool. That's really gnarly. And there's some Tyranids, those flying Tyranids for it. I would love to have a Tyranid, it's just it costs too much. And here's the Orcs, their version of their dreadnoughts. So that looks kind of cool. It's like a really that's what orcs always look like. Like someone did a really bad job on it, and that's what they really do look like. And even in the Warhammer, even in Game Workshop minis as well. Village of Hope. Okay, so October, November pause. So that'll be a pause for that. 3D Hex. Same thing as Swan, same creator from SwanNet. November Kickstarter campaign. So I think it's kickstarting these ruins for it. Okay. But I don't think they have anything out. So November rewards plus Kickstarter campaign. So I'm guessing it's terrain pieces for those. And 3D art guy. Which one is it? It is the Dark Lord. I forgot his name. Starts with the S in Lord of the Ring. Uh, Sauron. Sauron. Forgot. We have the elf for it. Those guys are pretty cool looking. I forgot. One of the alliance looks like it because of the alliance. One of probably the old kings. And we have Sylvanas. And we have Windrunner without the Banshee stuff. So yeah. So we have Cyber for games. This might be the last one for this part. Don't want to go overboard on it. So you have 3 Grim, Titan, and Hyperfront. You have the past, future, and ships. So we have this Cyber Forge. That looks. If you like Cyberpunk, this probably be it. And this looks more like the Chaos thing for it. But I wanted to look more in details for it near your ships. I don't really do ship battles, but these guys look pretty cool. Especially when do neon skies for it. You have your little ninjas. And your cyber a bear that looks pretty cool. This kid trying to hold it down. You have your like more of a chaos knights over here. So this would be kind of cool to have for like age like Warhammer 40K. But it would be it would be like Khan, so the blood god. And here's your ship and your terrains and stuff. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. I'll see you guys next time, and we'll have a great day, guys. Take care of Patreon, Discord, and FC as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys. Bye.